In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the PageFly app on Shopify. This quick tutorial is perfect whether you're a business owner just starting out with creating your online store or you're seasoned in e-commerce looking to enhance your store's functionality. PageFly is a great tool designed to help you make beautiful and responsive pages quickly and easily. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and go straight to Shopify's website. If you don't have a Shopify account already, you'll need to set one up. But for those of you already familiar with Shopify, simply log into your existing account. As a quick tip, make sure you have your store's login credentials handy to avoid any hiccups. Once you're logged in, head over to the Shopify App Store. You can find it by navigating through the Shopify dashboard where you see different sections like Home, Orders, Products, and so on. The App Store is your friend when it comes to adding new features to your store. It's filled with an array of apps designed to cater to nearly every need you might have, making it a one-stop shop for enhancing your online business. In the search bar located at the top of the App Store page, type in PageFly. PageFly is one of the most popular page builder apps on the market, and for good reason. It offers flexibility and design options that can really transform the look of your store. As you type, Shopify will show you a list of suggestions. Be sure to select the correct one. You'll recognize it by its blue logo with a stylized page on it. Once the search results are loaded, locate the PageFly app and click on it to navigate to its dedicated page. Here, you'll be able to learn more about the app's features, see screenshots of what it offers, and read reviews from other users. It's always a good idea to check out the reviews to see how the app performs for others, though with PageFly, you're likely to find a lot of positive feedback. At this point, you'll want to hit that Install button. This is where the real magic happens. Shopify will guide you through the installation process, typically asking for permissions to access your store's information. Don't worry, these permissions are necessary for PageFly to be able to do its job effectively. Once installed, the PageFly app should now be available in your Apps section back in the Shopify dashboard. You can access it anytime by simply navigating there. Give it a try, start creating some stunning pages, and watch as it transforms your store into something spectacular. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully installed PageFly on your Shopify store. By following these simple steps, you're now equipped with a powerful tool to elevate the design and functionality of your online shop. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out other guides for more tips on optimizing your e-commerce platform.